Ever stared out at the vast ocean, mesmerized by its power and mystery? That feeling of awe is exactly what the founders of Kraken Bank must have been going for when they came up with that name. But unlike the mythical Kraken, a giant sea monster of legend, Kraken Bank isn't some fantastical creature lurking in the depths. So, where exactly is Kraken Bank? The answer, unfortunately, is nowhere. At least, not as a functioning physical bank. Intrigued? Confused? Let's dive deeper because the story of Kraken Bank is more interesting than a simple "it doesn't exist" answer. In the early 2010s, there was a boom in what's called fintech, short for financial technology. Imagine all the banking services you might use, checking accounts, debit cards, money transfers, but instead of visiting a physical branch, you do it all through your phone or computer. That's the core idea of fintech companies. Kraken Bank was supposed to be one such fintech champion. Founded in 2016, it aimed to be a challenger bank, offering a completely digital banking experience. They promised a sleek mobile app, easy account opening, and competitive rates. It all sounded fantastic, a modern bank built for a modern world. But here's where things get murky. Kraken Bank never actually launched its services to the public. There are news articles from around that time with launch dates being announced, then pushed back. There were talks of partnerships with other financial institutions, but nothing concrete ever materialized. So, what happened? The reasons behind Kraken Bank's disappearance are unclear. Some speculate that they may not have been able to secure the necessary licenses and approvals from regulatory bodies. Building a bank, even a digital one, comes with a lot of rules and requirements. Perhaps Kraken Bank simply couldn't meet those hurdles. Another possibility is that they ran into financial difficulties. Starting a new bank is a massive undertaking, and funding can be a challenge. Without a steady stream of income, they may have simply run out of money before they could get off the ground. Whatever the reason, by 2018, it was clear that Kraken Bank wasn't going to be setting sail. Their website went down, social media accounts disappeared, and any dreams of a digital banking revolution vanished with them. Now, this might leave you wondering, is there anything left of Kraken Bank? Well, depending on who you ask, the answer could be yes. There have been a few reports, though none confirmed, that the Kraken Bank name and some of its intellectual property might have been acquired by another financial institution. So, there's a chance that the Kraken might re-emerge from the depths someday, albeit in a different form. But for now, the story of Kraken Bank remains a curious tale, a fintech dream that never quite came true. This whole episode serves as a reminder that the world of finance, even the digital part, is full of complexities and challenges. Innovation is important, but so is building on a solid foundation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.